Hold on. Roll. Yeah. Roll. Take your time. Alright, that should be good now. Good. Thanks. That's
Turn
good.
it around or no?
Turn it one more time. Yeah. Go on. That's good now. I'm sure say everywhere have some. Go on. Drip up it. Watch your mind drop off as too.
It's kind of...
Jokey, mister. Jokey.
Not just that one spot in there. If you have a little bit. Chaka.
Let's think I'm saying, man. I can do it now. Let's see. No, brother, yeah, stab up like you want to kill it though. Take out some.
Oh.
Dippy. Careful, drop in the middle like though. One more spoonful. Wait, Jar, wait. One more spoonful. See what I show you. Go on, spread the cheese. Go on. Put cheese patty to the jar.
Oh. If you go on a little bit laka into it. Just put some here.
Put one here. Thank you. Put one over there.
You ready?
Oh no, it's a piece of cheese, eh? Alright, good job. Get your chicken now.
I feel like this one should spread a little.
Get the chicken. Spread the chicken over. Spread the chicken here. Them places,
Well, Joey might not like it, and he might want to try some.
Just spread the chicken, please.
Okay. Sprinkle.
Spread it. Put it down properly. I want it put down flat.
So.
Put the chicken on the cheese, eh? What am I doing? Which onion? Carefully hot. In the oven, yeah. Lucky. I'm gonna set a timer now. Set a timer for 10 minutes.
Yeah, you okay?
Good job, buddy. Thank you. Yeah, man, pizza running. You see it? Yeah. Alright, pizza ready. Go for baby bottle. Go for baby bottle. And come. Back up. Hot. This one of him. Back up. He hot. Pizza up and running. You see my chicken, cheese, pizza. Go see underneath. Nice, pretty crust. Yeah, man. See it there. Jamir, come look for your pizza.
It's done?
Jerry, come look for your pizza. Look. This one, see there. Wait, look.
That looks good.
Pick up yourself, my son.
That looks really good.
Yes, sir. Let's dig in. Alright, so all my stuff for my pizza, I have them put away. Just gonna use a knife. Crispy, thin crust. You have that cheese. So it's gonna use a knife hot to cut it. Fresh sauce, everything made fresh. Fresh dough. Yes, sir.
Fresh food. Pizza looks nice. We're gonna do this recipe. That took 16 hours plus, and 3 hours to just make the dough. But we're like, pass. So we just made a normal one.
Yes, sir.
But it's still really good. Well, it most likely will.
Yeah, see, it's sauce, it tastes good.
And because Jari helped out, it's gonna be 10 times better.
There you go. You got the brother. Much slice you want?
2.
2 slice? There, go on. Alright, fish piece more.
Eating time.
Got that, man? Crazy.
Stop going in.
Let that try. Come on. What's that crust? But Nice, hot, fresh. We made the sauce. We just use fresh tomato, blend it up. We didn't cook the sauce. Blend it up, salt, pepper, oregano, fresh basil, a little bit of olive oil, garlic, onion, oregano, and that's it. Oh, just like olive oil, olive oil. Nice the sauce, blend it up, put the sauce on there. Buy the fresh mozzarella cheese and cut it up. And make the dough from scratch. For the dough we use a little bit of brown sugar, a little bit of olive oil, flour, salt, warm water, and yeast. And yeast. Did I say sugar? And sugar. That's it for the dough. Sorry, my son. If you want to learn how to make pizza, I have the videos out on my channel, so check it out. This pizza is nice, fresh, just hearty. Tell me what you feel.
Oh.
Nice, fresh, cheesy pizza. I try a nice pizza.
This is real good. Let me try to get some chicken.
Nice, fresh.
Sleeping time for you, okay?
But
It's real good.
that is it, man.
The chicken with it, Jim.